Sometimes to hide your chats in Telegram, you may archive some chats in Telegram, but sometimes you may find difficulty in finding that archived chat section. In this video, we'll be telling about where to find this archived chat section in Telegram. Anyways, first what we need to do is open Telegram application. After opening Telegram application, in chats when you are looking, you cannot see archived section. And here you can see 3 lines. When you are clicking on that also, you cannot see archived chat section. Anyways, to access archived chat section, what you need to do is come to Telegram app's first page. After that, you need to scroll down. When you are scrolling down, you can see release for archive, just release. When you are scrolling and releasing, you can see archived chat section. When you are clicking on that, here you can see every archived chats. Now, if you want to chat with this person, you can chat with this person. Now, in first page, you can see this archived chats. If you want to remove that archived chats from that first page, what you need to do is again come to first page. After that, just scroll down. After that, when you are again going up, you cannot see that archived chat section. Now again, to access archived chats, just swipe down. Now you can see archived chats, and when you are going down, it will be hidden. So this is where you can find archived chats in Telegram. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.